Foodie app learned this the hard way when their Lambda functions took 6 seconds to respond during a peak campaign, resulting in a $7,500 loss in just one night. To avoid this, analyze your traffic patterns using CloudWatch to understand peak times. Preload your dependencies with AWS Lambda layers to speed up function initialization. Don't skimp on memory, start with 512 MB and adjust based on performance. And remember, implement a warming strategy to keep those functions ready. Avoid the mistake of ignoring these practices, or you might be the next startup to feel the sting. Comment demo for the full workflow. Quick tip: write down a simple rule for when you upgrade the architecture, and stick to it.